vitamin C. Used for cooking. Very, very fish. Commonly used for biryani. Very fish and aromatic flavor. This is curry. Curry is hand rope. The uses for two next use. Black pepper. Black pepper is known as the king of spices. Black pepper is very small, round in shape, black in color. This is ginger. Ginger is a type of vegetable. Ginger is used for cough. Ginger is used for stomach pain. This is clove. Clove is a aromatic spice. It is brown in color. Vinaigrette. Vinaigrette is a green plant and it is the small leaves and tiny seeds. Vinaigrette food